this video is for mostly Africans. It can apply to any other continent, but mostly Africans. We always think that making money, everything comes to hard work, but there is a lot of people that are doing little work and they are making a lot of money on the way, more than those who do the hard work. Let's say, for instance, when you are farming, you're going to do more work, and when you're not having the more capital, then you're going to find it difficult to make more money on it. But if you are creating content, it is going to take you like 1 hour for you to create like 30-minute video or even 60-minute video. It's going to take you about 1 hour. When you jot everything down and you want to just sit down and create, it's going to take you about 60 minutes to 1 hour to create about 60-minute video. And that particular video, you just use little time, and that video is going to be generating a lot of money for you for a long period of time. It's not something that is going to be like cut short or so. That's a digital real estate. Immediately you create it and post it out there, it's going to be generating like money for you all the time. And if it is something that is related to also affiliate program, you're going to be getting commissions day in and day out only by uploading that particular video. So there is a lot of potential in this online space. And most Africans, that's what we always think. We always think that we need to work hard on the ground. But nowadays, when you are smart enough, you can make and living without even working on the ground. So guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.